English to Malay. I went equals.
Saya pergi.
Synapse Lingo. Hello. Hey there. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fast lane to languages. Jump in, smile, and get ready to move, like the verb.
Pergi.
For more goodies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com anytime. Your goal today. You'll lock in the English past of go and its Malay matches. Say them out loud with me. I went.
Saya pergi.
You went.
Kamu pergi.
He went.
Dia pergi.
She went.
Dia pergi.
It went.
Ia pergi.
We went.
Kami pergi.
You, plural, went.
Kamu semua pergi.
Go.
Pergi.
Mini dialogue, the speedy exit. Listen in and repeat the Malay parts after the pauses. A. Yesterday, I went to the night market. Yes, I went. In Malay, that's.
Saya pergi.
B. No way. Then you went early? That's.
Kamu pergi.
A wall? A. My brother? He went first.
Dia pergi.
Dulu. B. And Anna? She went to buy snacks.
Dia pergi.
Belly snack. A. The plan? It went smoothly.
Ia pergi.
Dengan lancar. B. After the movie, we went home.
Kami pergi.
Balik. A. The whole team? You, plural, went straight to the bus.
Kamu semua pergi.
Teras ke ba. Both. Now let's just go.
Pergi.
Beat and repeat. Clap the rhythm with me, short, sharp, and silly. Clap clap. I went.
Saya pergi.
Clap clap. You went.
Kamu pergi.
Stomp clap. He went.
Dia pergi.
She went.
Dia pergi.
Snap snap. It went.
Ia pergi.
March to march. We went.
Kami pergi.
Wave wave. You, plural, went.
Kamu semua pergi.
Big step. Go.
Pergi.
Culture tip. Natural Malay. Sound local with these tiny tweaks. In everyday Malaysia, you'll often hear, let's go, as.
Jom pergi.
Or.
Mari pergi.
Remember the difference.
Kami pergi.
Equals we went, not including you, while.
Kita pergi.
Equals we go, we went, including you. For a group address, say you, plural, went.
Kamu semua pergi.
Quick quiz. Answer out loud. I'll reveal the Malay after a pause. Translate. I went. Answer.
Saya pergi.
Translate. You went. Answer.
Kamu pergi.
Translate. He went. Answer.
Dia pergi.
Translate. She went. Answer.
Dia pergi.
Translate. It went. Answer.
Ia pergi.
Translate. We went. Answer.
Kami pergi.
Translate. You, plural, went. Answer.
Kamu semua pergi.
Translate the base verb. Go. Answer.
Pergi.
Challenge time. Now you lead, fill in the Malay as I cue the English. Say, yesterday, I went home early. Semalam.
Saya pergi.
Awal ke rumah. Say, after the game, we went to eat. Selepas perlawanan.
Kami pergi.
Makan. Say, you, plural, went to the museum.
Kamu semua pergi.
Ke museum. Say, it went well.
Ia pergi.
Denken bake. Finish the invitation. Let's go.
Pergi.
Goodbye from Synapse Lingo. Great job today, you nailed the past of go. You practiced, I went, you went, he went, she went, it went, we went, you, plural, went, and the base verb go, aka.
Saya pergi. Kamu pergi. Dia pergi.
Slash.
Dia pergi. Ia pergi. Kami pergi. Kamu semua pergi.
And.
Pergi.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, have fun, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and downloads. See you next time.